Hi, in this video I will guide how to change Uncode Theme default slider content. As you can see, this is my default slider built with Uncode Builder. First I will go to backend using backend editor. Scroll below, and you will see header option. In header type you have different option. You can also use content block as slider. Here I will use first row as slider, but keep in mind most of Uncode demo use slider revolution for header slider. The demo I'm using used first row as slider, as you can see in editor. For ease, I'm using front-end editor. Now you can easily change your slider content. To change background image, click on row setting. Now go to style option and select your desired image which you want to use as slider background. To change the heading in text, simple click on it and change the texts. You can change the button style and text in same way. Update the other slides in same way and save your changes. Hope this video will be helpful. If you have any question, use comment box. Please like the video and subscribe to our channel.